Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create a shake transition using animations and effect on CapCut. So first, just click on the transition box in here and then click on the camera category. Then select the pull out transition. Click on a check icon and now click on a second clip, go to animation and select the collision animation here for 0.5 seconds and click on a check icon, and lastly go to the video effects click on the nightclub category and select the repeat zoom effect. Now click on a check icon and put the effect only on the second clip. And now the shake transition will go like this. Okay everyone, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.